Hey friends, it's Dawn Prickett with twicesharedcheap.com, and I just wanted to do a really quick video to show you how to add your patterns that you have purchased on our website into Ravelry. I know that a lot of people like to have all of their patterns into one place so that they can't lose them, but we really appreciate when you purchase from our website, and that's the only place that you can use coupon codes and all of those things. So here's how you can add your pattern that you purchased on our website into Ravelry. The first thing that you're going to do is to find the pattern. So this is our new wrapped together hat pattern. And then when you're on the pattern page on Ravelry, you're going to click this little add to library button right here. And from that, you're going to click this yes, I own it. And then this right here below, click to edit details, is actually a clickable button. Go ahead and click that. And we're going to edit notes. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to put the actual download link for your pattern into the notes so that it's in Ravelry and you can find it every time. So that download link, if you go to your email receipt from Twice Sheared Sheep, okay, so these links right here are actually clickable links. This one will take you back to the product page. And this one is your download link. So we're just going to right click on a PC on this and we're going to copy link address. And then we're going to come back over here to Ravelry and we're just going to paste that address directly into the notes right there and then click Save Changes. Now you can see right here, this is now a clickable link, and if you click on it, it will download your pattern right there. So now your pattern is in Ravelry, even if you bought it from our website, okay? If you have somehow lost your email, you can come to the website, and if you logged in when you purchased the pattern, this is the kind of the key, because if you checked out as a guest, then it's not going to appear here. But if you logged in and you have an account on our website, then come into login and my account. And your pattern will be over here in the downloads section. And you can find any of your purchased patterns right here anytime. And so for this wrapped together hat, right here, this big purple button is the download link. Again, you can right click on it, copy link address, and come back over here into your Ravelry page and add that in. So this is already in my library. I can click on that. I can click this in library, and then that lets me edit the notes, and I can paste that in there so that we are good to go. So now, anytime that you are in your profile on Ravelry, you can come over here to your library and click on that. And it's going to show all of the patterns that are in your library. And there is the wrap together hat that I just added. I can click on that. And right there is the download link. So you can download it again. Okay, awesome. Now you know how to add your patterns to Ravelry, no matter where you bought them. And I am so grateful and thank you so much for supporting me as an independent designer and for purchasing from our website. I can't wait to see how your project turns out. Bye-bye for now.